Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will compare Mercury Optimax versus four-stroke outboard engines. We'll dive into their core differences, helping you decide which is better for your boating needs. We'll explore performance, fuel efficiency, maintenance, and environmental impact. By the end, you'll have a clear understanding of each engine's strengths and weaknesses, empowering you to make an informed choice for your vessel. Let's get started with a detailed look at these popular marine powerhouses. When it comes to performance, Optimax engines are renowned for their impressive low-end torque and rapid acceleration, giving you a quick hole shot. Four-stroke engines, however, typically deliver a much smoother and quieter operation across all RPMs, enhancing your overall boating experience. Optimax engines also boast a higher power-to-weight ratio, meaning they are often lighter for comparable horsepower, which can be a significant advantage for certain boat types. It's a trade-off between raw punch and refined operation. Regarding fuel efficiency, four-stroke engines generally hold an advantage, consuming less fuel, especially during extended cruising. While Optimax engines are far more efficient than traditional two-strokes, they still typically use more fuel than their four-stroke counterparts. For maintenance, four-strokes often require more complex routines, including regular oil changes and filter replacements. Optimax engines, on the other hand, usually have simpler maintenance schedules, focusing on spark plugs and fuel filters, which can save you time and effort. From an environmental perspective, four-stroke engines produce significantly lower emissions, making them a greener choice for our waterways. Optimax engines, while cleaner than older two-strokes, still have higher emission levels compared to modern four-strokes. Considering cost, the initial purchase price of a four-stroke engine is often higher. However, long-term operating costs can vary. Optimax might have lower initial cost, but potentially higher fuel expenses, while four-strokes offer better fuel economy, but more involved maintenance.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.